Ho, 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 Santa Van.
Max Van, aka Cameron Beaubier, 2018 Moto America Superbike champ.
And we're here with our week 3 Superbike Christmas. All right, here we go. It's our third and final Superbike Christmas suit giveaway.
Yes,
Pretty good idea, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
I'm gonna take that. It's not often you get your 13-year-old kid to tell you had a good idea, right? So cherish those moments, forever recorded. We're gonna do this one a lot different than we did the first 2. Before we jump into that, we wanna wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Enjoy that time.
Family time is quality time with your family, always.
Big time, yeah. You gotta cherish that, right? Every one you get is a blessing for sure. Enjoy it. All that said, we're gonna be closed Monday and Tuesday. Monday is Christmas Eve day. I want my staff here to have that time to spend with their families, just like we want to. And then of course, Christmas Day. We'll be back in the office on Wednesday, and that is when we will announce the winner for the third suit. And this is gonna be pretty interesting how you're to dig this. We'll also let the period of eligibility stretch out from Sunday, December 16th, all the way until midnight, Christmas Day Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so there's more opportunity to win. And now let's get on to the suit, because I had this all set up. I knew what I was going to give away today. And somebody
is not too happy with this. So he said he was going to give away. So this is how it's going to go. We have 3 different suits: Garrett Gerloff, Jake Lewis, and Cameron Beaubier. We're going to have you guys pick between each one of the 3 to give away. And so when I heard that he was going to give away the Cameron Beaubier suit, I grabbed it. I just ran with it, ran away.
Why? Why is that?
I'm kind of in love with the suit.
Really? I mean, but these guys are all cool and they're all really fast.
Yeah, but this one, kind of special, man.
Is that what happens when you win Superbike champion?
Yeah.
That is kind of super badass. Yeah. So I can understand how you feel that way. So here's what we're going to do. The winner has the opportunity to choose which suit they want. It can be this one isn't really that good. They probably don't want this. The Jake Lewis, this is from his Yosh, and I was gonna keep this actually, but I'm just putting this up on the block. Maybe somebody will choose this and spare the kid the pain of having to part with the Beaubier suit, right? Jake Lewis, Rookie of the Year when he was riding for Yosh, that's really kick-ass. And we'll take it to the next level too. This is a Garrett Gerloff autographed Monster Energy suit. So I mean, there's 3 great options here. What are you gonna do if they just pick the Beaubier suit right out of the gate? You gonna like call and beg, maybe send an email, a care package? What do you think?
Gonna find their Instagram, man. Gotta DM them.
I don't even know what that means, but I love that.
I gotta see how much they want for it.
Are you willing to mow grass? Like, what if they'll trade landscaping?
I'll do that.
Can you do it? Do you cut a straight line?
I'm pretty good at cutting the grass. I don't know.
I'll give you credit. You do. You cut a straight line because, well, I told you had to cut a straight line, or you get to cut it twice. So there you have it. That is week 3. This has been a lot of fun. You and I had a lot of fun this year. It's pretty cool. Looking forward to next year. Can't pass your daddy. You need to know that, right? Because even if you're faster than me, I still beat you up.
I already did run 3 seconds faster last time.
It's not funny. It was really cold out that day. Ho, ho, ho. Week 3.